over a foot, especially by mine. It's crazy. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy. Let's see how the fire escape looks semi-empty is across the way. If I can focus in on that. That's how the normal fire escape looks, with just a little bit of snow. And then, come on, it filled. Crazy.